Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to explore a fascinating topic as we delve into the spiritual realm and engage in a thought-provoking discussion about the existence of God or a supreme consciousness. We look forward to sharing insights and hearing your perspectives on this important question.
In the landscape of contemporary spirituality, the quest for understanding the divine continues to evolve. While traditional religious frameworks have provided guidance and meaning to countless individuals over millennia, many find themselves seeking a more holistic perception of God, one that encompasses the complexities of existence, embraces diversity, and invites personal experience as a pathway to understanding. This book aims to explore and present a new holistic perception of God, offering insights that resonate with our interconnected world. We live in an era marked by profound change and uncertainty, where the challenges we face as individuals and as a society are increasingly intertwined. Globalization, technological advancements, and multicultural interactions have created a tapestry of human experience that can no longer be contained within the rigid structures of dogma and doctrine. In this context, many are drawn to spiritual perspectives that honor the richness of life, recognizing that spirituality can be a deeply personal journey rather than a one-size-fits-all prescription. The holistic perception of God proposed in this book invites readers to traverse the landscape of the divine through multiple lenses. At its core, this new understanding emphasizes the interrelatedness of all existence, where every being, every emotion, and every experience contributes to the profound tapestry of creation. This perspective encourages us to see God not as a distant, anthropomorphic figure, but as an ever-present force that permeates the universe, infusing life with meaning and purpose.
Throughout these pages, we will delve into the concept of the divine as both immanent and transcendent, acknowledging the duality inherent in existence. Rather than viewing opposites as conflicting forces, we will explore how they can coexist and contribute to a greater harmony. Just as light and darkness define one another, so too does the divine manifest through a myriad of expressions, joyful and sorrowful, nurturing and challenging, tangible and abstract. In this exploration, we will draw upon a variety of religious and philosophical traditions, examining the wisdom they have to offer while remaining open to new interpretations. By weaving together insights from Eastern philosophies such as Taoism and Buddhism with Western traditions such as Christianity and mystical Judaism, we will uncover themes that transcend cultural barriers and speak to the universal human experience. This synthesis not only enriches our understanding of the divine, but also illuminates the pathways toward coexistence and compassion within our diverse world. Moreover, this book emphasizes the importance of personal experience in shaping our spiritual understanding. In a time when many feel disconnected from traditional institutions, the invitation to explore one's own relationship with God becomes paramount. We will engage with practices that cultivate awareness, mindfulness, and a deep sense of connection to the divine presence within and around us. This journey is not merely theoretical. It prioritizes lived experiences that allow individuals to forge their own paths in the exploration of the sacred.
As you read, I encourage you to approach this work with an open heart and mind. Let go of preconceived notions about the divine and allow yourself to be receptive to new possibilities. This holistic perception of God does not seek to replace existing beliefs, but rather to expand and enrich them, creating space for dialogue, growth, and transformation. In our pursuit of a deeper understanding of divinity, may we find that the essence of God resides within ourselves and in our relationships with one another and the world. Together, we can embark on a journey that celebrates the beauty of diversity, fosters reconciliation with the complexities of existence, and cultivates a profound reverence for the interconnectedness of all life. I invite you to take this journey with me, one of exploration, reflection, and awakening to the divine presence that encompasses and unites us all.
We are excited to announce that our latest book is now available on Amazon in both paperback and ebook formats. Choose the beautifully crafted paperback edition, which features a striking glossy cover and a spacious 16-point font size for a comfortable reading experience. Priced attractively at just $11.99 plus shipping, it's an investment in your literary collection. Prefer a digital option? The ebook version is available for only $5.99, making it an affordable choice for readers on the go. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a captivating read. Purchase your copy today and embark on an unforgettable journey. You can purchase this book by clicking on the links shown at the end of the description below this video. Thank you for watching our exploration of spiritual growth. We hope this journey has inspired you to see the beauty in our shared values and the power of understanding across different faiths. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to our channel for more enlightening content. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to leave a comment below about your experiences or ideas on religious unity. Let's continue to foster dialogue and connection. Until next time, keep your hearts open and seek the common threads that bind us all together.